Uh, so we are talking about shapes like triangles and some angles we'll talk about today. Here's a workshop. This is the instruction. Find the missing angle in the triangle and quads using the rule of total degrees in each type. Show the way. So in here, remember, angle in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. That's like a triangle like this. And angle in a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So we need to remember. So let's go down and see the example. Here we go. This is the example. This is a triangle. In here is 65 degrees, and in here is 55 degrees. And in here is x. X means don't know what degrees it is. We need to find out. So this is a triangle. It's here, right? Triangle. So it's add up to.
This is 15. This is 8.
Yeah.
What?
And then that's x. We don't know. That means don't know.
How you do that?
I know.
Come on.
Here. I know. The thing above is fifth. Wait, no. How to Okay, 5, 6. So this is 60. This one is 60. So the x is 60. That's the answer. See you guys in the next video. Bye.